Welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that many programmers face when using std, any underscore of and std, find underscore if in C++. The issue arises when trying to check for the existence of an integer in a vector returned by the getEdges function. The std, any underscore of implementation gives inconsistent results upon repeated runs, while the std, find underscore if implementation is reliable. Let's dive into the details of this conundrum. The solution to this problem lies in a critical detail within the code snippet provided. The key culprit is the const std, vector in getEdges, int v, function, which returns a copy of the vector rather than a reference. This leads to different copies of the vector being compared in subsequent calls to the getEdges function, causing undefined behavior and erratic outcomes. Updating the function to return a reference instead of a copy resolves this issue. Continuing with the solution, the problematic code snippet within the marked function exacerbates the issue by comparing iterators from different instances of the vector returned by getEdges. This mishandling results in undefined behavior, making the std, find underscore if implementation unreliable. By returning a reference in the getEdges function, the iterators will now point to the same vector instance, ensuring consistent and correct results. In summary, ensuring that the getEdges function returned a reference instead of a copy is crucial for resolving the inconsistencies observed in a marked function. By making this simple adjustment, you can avoid undefined behavior and confidently use both std, any underscore of and std, find underscore if functions in your C++ code. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite programming pun. Happy coding!